Yeah, today is Wednesday. Wednesday? Yeah. Or Tuesday. Hell, I don't know. It's 21st December. I know that. I just looked it up. Finished framing out my windows to hang my siding. And made the corner over here. Got ready there. Framed out across the top. Got one more board to hang here on the bottom. Trying to figure out what to do around that electrical panel. I might just leave it opened up. Get as close as I can without crowding it. Got some stuff in. My Wilton, sure enough, drill press vise came in. My chuck. My replacement casting. My handles and knobs. So all I need to do now, not a bad shadow there. All I need to do now is get my T-slot nuts and studs and get it on the power. So that's ready to go. Ordered a 9x49 bed 3 horsepower knee mill today. It'll be here in 14 to 24 days. Freight-Line called. My AC/heat pump will be here tomorrow on a big truck, skidded. Just so happens I have a fork truck. See what else. Roofers came by trying to figure out what we're going to do on this roof. It ain't going to cost me an arm and a leg. They had a good solution, but I'm afraid it's going to cost an arm and a leg. We'll take a look at it. Again, I don't have a lot in this building. That's not saying I want to put a lot in this building either. Told them to send me a quote. Take a look at it. See what it looks like. Hell, it might be reasonable. You just never know. Sounds like it's not reasonable, but like I said, it could be. When the AC comes in tomorrow, I'm going to clear out that corner and put it over there in that corner to store it till after the holidays. Everybody wants to take vacation during the holidays, and I don't want to bug nobody. This is something that can wait. This little barn heater, this little brown electric one, with this foam insulation, that son of a gun keeps it above freezing. We're going to find out Saturday morning or Friday morning. It's supposed to be 10 degrees here. 10 degrees. Today it's 56. So we'll see. What else? That's about it. I'll close up the building here. Go pick up Gerda. She got her little job there at the mall. And one of her Christmas presents came in today. Still got some more stuff to get. And got something in the garage. I'll do another video when I get home this evening. Something I've been waiting on for 3 months. 3 months. So, that's about all for this one. Anxious to get my drill press under power. Here it run. The mill is brand new. Not US made. And surprisingly inexpensive for a brand new mill, 3 horsepower. And we'll see when it shows up. I believe it has a digital readout. I gotta look at the spec again. It does not have XY axis drives, just a readout. And give me something to figure out, learn how to use it. The readout, the mill is pretty self-explanatory. If you know anything about cutting metal. And everybody I tell I'm putting in a small machine shop, can I have a card? I don't have any cards yet. They're on their way. So this might actually turn into something. I will not let it turn into a job. It's just something to keep me occupied. Anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.